Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Mouseflow, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Mouseflow account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to sign up for a Mouseflow account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that gathering analytics on user behavior can help guide the flow of your website. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, mouseflow.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but up their website, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and create a Mouseflow account, you're going to click here on try for free. You do have the option to go ahead and book a demo with one of the Mouseflow employees. For today, I'm going to go ahead and click here. Okay, once you do that, they're going to ask you to sign up with your Google account, or you can use your email, which is what I'm going to do. Next, you're going to go ahead and enter in your email address and then create a password and agree to the terms of use. So I'm going to enter this information in off screen. Okay, so once you've entered in the required information, click on let's go. Okay, next Mouseflow sent me an email to confirm my email address. So I'm going to go ahead and open that email and click on the confirmation link. Okay, quick second later, it brings me here to my Mouseflow dashboard, so I can go ahead and start adding in my websites to track the user behavior and data. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Mouseflow account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.